Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super cool for all you note takers, doodlers, and paper lovers out there. Meet the Nuwa Pen, a smart ballpoint pen that's here to drag your handwritten notes into the 21st century. And we stick around because this thing is packed with some seriously clever tech. So what's the deal with the Nuwa Pen? At first glance, it looks like your average sleek ballpoint. Nice weight, comfy grip, and it uses standard dun ink refills. But here's where it gets wild. This isn't just a pen. It's got 3 tiny cameras. Yep, cameras right near the tip, plus motion sensors and a pressure sensor. Why? Because it's watching every single move you make on the page. Here's how it works. You write or sketch on any paper. Seriously, no fancy dotted sheets required. And those cameras and sensors capture every stroke in real time. It's like magic, but it's actually some next-level AI and computer vision at play. Then it beams all that data over Bluetooth to the Nuwa app on your phone or tablet. Boom, your scribbles are now digital, organized, and ready to roll. The app is where the real fun happens. You can store unlimited notes in the cloud, search them by keywords, say goodbye to flipping through notebooks, and even sync them with stuff like your calendar or email. Oh, and with the Nuwa Plus subscription, it'll convert your chicken scratch into typed text. Or I tested it with my handwriting, and let's just say it's smarter than I expected. Now this thing's got a brain of its own with an onboard processor, but it still needs juice. You get about 2 hours of writing from a quick 15-minute charge in its sleek little case. Not bad, right? It's perfect for a meeting or a lecture. Charge it up, and you're good to go. The Nuwa Pen started as a Kickstarter dream back in 2023, and after smashing its goals, it's finally shipping out as of early 2025. I snagged one from their site for about $295. Pricey, sure, but if you're someone who lives by pen and paper and loves tech, it might just be worth it. So what's the verdict? The Nuwa Pen is for anyone who's ever wished their notebook could keep up with their digital life. It's not perfect. Battery life could be longer, and that subscription for text conversion might irk some folks, but it's a seriously cool bridge between analog and digital. Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more tech like this, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.